Thank you for joining me today. I'm so sorry it's been such a long time since my last video and that I've actually been really quiet online for so long. I actually haven't been too well. I'm okay at the moment though, and the garden in full summer bloom is really giving me joy. Even though it's a bit chaotic, I'm really happy to see the things that I've grown from seed have really blossomed and bloomed so well. I've really missed creating videos, so I'm excited to be back thinking about it again, and I'm hoping that I'll have some more regular videos coming out starting at the beginning of September. I have lots in the works which I'll show you in just a moment. But I've been really busy focusing on my little garden, my tomato harvest, and also on spending time with my son. It's been really nice to be able to do that this summer. The sweet peas have been spectacular, and it's been my first year growing them from seed, but I've let them go to seed now so I can collect that for next year's flowers. And the butterflies have been wonderful. We've had 6 different species in the garden this year, and it really is bringing me so much joy and inspiration for butterfly themed embroidery projects. Back in the sewing room, this is a quilt I've actually been working on for quite a while, and I've been filming the steps, but it is actually a quick quilt, and there will be a full video about this, hopefully at the beginning of September. But it's a lovely make, and I really hope that you'll be interested to watch that. I've just got some more fabric choices to make to finish it off, so it's just a small, fairly quick project. I'm also getting ready for Festival of Quilts because I'll be teaching a workshop there, and that's next week, so I've got to get all of my kits ready. I already have some prepared, but I've got a few more to do so that I'm ready for that. I'm excited and nervous about that. And of course I started a new project, because what do you do when you don't feel very good? You start something new. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. This is a quilt as you go hexagon project that I've been adding applique and embroidery to. I made a sunbonnet Sue, and it was really fun to do. I used hexiform, so that was a really nice therapeutic project, and I'm hoping to make more hexagons and join them together. The theme is gardens and childhood, so I'm picking fabrics that really speak to me as a little girl. It's nostalgic and reminiscent of days gone by, and that is just what I'm being drawn to at the moment during this time of not really feeling very well. I am really sorry that I haven't been creating as much as I would like to, and I have received some emails from people asking for more new free patterns and things like that. It just hasn't really been possible for me to do that at the moment, but come the autumn I'm sure there'll be more new things on my website. These are the vintage transfers that I've been using for this project. As you can see, there really is a garden theme to this, full of summer blooms. I will of course make a more in-depth video about this project when I get a little bit further along with it. If you'd like to know a little bit more about what has been going on, I will send out a newsletter quite soon, and I'll just share a little bit more detail about what I've been up to this summer and what's been happening for me and how the autumn is going to play out, because I think I will be back in September, but I won't be around too much in October. But if you'd like to know a little bit more, I will share a bit more in my newsletter, so you can sign up for that. There's a link in the description box. But for now, I would just like to say thank you for checking in and watching this short but sweet, hopefully, video about what I'm up to. I'm going to get back to my embroidery. I'm just choosing some colours now for the flowers in the basket, and I will hopefully see you really soon. I hope you're all well. Take care. Thank you again. Bye bye.